Alright, hello. So today I'm cleaning up and reassembling this Skunk2 Ultra Intake manifold. I'm actually removing the old gasket which it had prior from the previous owner. It had like silicone, it had gasket, it had some sealant in it. So first of all I need to clean it up, shave it up, remove all the grease, all the bad things, and then reassemble it. Yeah, getting that manifold part nice and shiny again. By the way, I'm using some sort of fiber sandpaper-ish thing, which really cleans, really removes all the old silicone, all the old grease and stuff which is left on the aluminium, and it mainly doesn't scratch it up too much. A little bit love to the plenum itself. Then it's time to remove the old silicone remains of the plenum spacer. Noticed that the blade doesn't scratch the cover, like the paint, you can call it, of the aluminium, and it actually removes the silicone quite well. Of course, removing the grease, removing the silicone, and removing all the dirt from the bolts with the tapper. let's apply a tiny and pretty layer of the Honda Bond silicone. That's I think that's the official Honda silicone. First I apply a really low low layer of the silicone. After stacking the parts up, I will clean the edges, which all the silicone will come through if it will be squeezed out. So I'm kind of really being really cautious and precautious with the amounts of the silicone, because I actually don't have the gaskets that was on the plenum when it was bought at some time new. Removing all the grease of the flange before stacking them up. Of course, applying the layer of the silicone on the one of parts of the intake manifold. Actually not sure if that would be the best decision, but I'll be applying a little bit of the Loctite because I'm a little bit skeptical about the bolts holding the flange in. It feels that they might vibrate out, so I'll just apply a little bit of the Loctite on the welds, which is holding the flange, which will be holding HD clamp and will be holding the throttle body. Right, and this is welding the flange and the HD clamp parts to the one piece. I actually decided to weld it in from the inside, that the welds wouldn't be seen, and I kind of guess or hope that it will hold a little bit better because they're a little bit settled in. They have the edges that they hold in, and I think the strength will be a little bit better when it's inside than the outside, the welds.
Bye.